Hello guys, I am Prajwal and you are watching Praj's Tech Lab. Let let's start. To create a new video, you need to press on the button right here. You can choose different ratios. Uh, this is for the YouTube video and this is for TikTok video, or you can also use this for YouTube Shorts. And in advanced mode, you can select the photo display mode. Let me choose the auto and you have to create. Now you need to upload media. Let me upload some video. You can see that the video has been added to the timeline here, and and here you can, through this option, you can add more media if you want, and through this option you can select the audio. There are different types of songs in this KineMaster. You can also get short music or SFX. You can download the music on your phone and access it in the folders also. In the layers option, you can you can upload a media. Let me show you. Let me just add a color, and you can add the media as a layer here, and you can also add text. And you can also add effects. There are many effects you can choose. Let me show you a demo. Let me choose a zoom effect, this part of the video. This part of the editing is called the timeline, and you can access all the elements of the videos in this. You can extend this effect, or you can move this effect. You can do the same with the text and the media. The next thing in the layers is stickers. There are various stickers in this list. You can choose whatever you want. This is handwriting, and you can write anything with your hand. And in this pane, you can, this option undoes what you have did before. This option redos. You have four options in this option: capture and save, or capture and add clip, capture and add as layer, capture and add as thumbnail. You can add your thumbnail here, and the first part of the video will become the thumbnail. You can set the volume, video, and editing in this property settings, and you can go through the whole video with this option. This is the AI option where you can add auto captions or music mats. And this is the record option where you can record your audio. This is the store where you can download various templates and effects. You can also download stickers here, music, sound effect. In the next tutorial, I'm going to explain all these elements in detail. Thanks for watching. For more such content, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications.